Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write this partition symbol in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, then Equation, and here select this partition symbol. You can write it by this shortcut. Then press spacebar, slash and PRTIAL, then press spacebar so you can write this symbol. Thanks for watching.